Once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly. So come to look at a Honda CRV 2.2 diesel here. Just got inside here, we're going to start it up, see what we've got in the means of warnings. So we've got like a smoke symbol there, which I'm guessing is related to the DPF. The car is in restricted power mode, so she's struggling to pick up speed. We're just running a diagnostic scan there, not giving any faults, which is a bit weird. So we're just going to go in and have a look, have a read through, see if we can find any live data information. So this here is full acceleration. That's foot down, full acceleration there. Doesn't really want to give any more than that. So if we look here, the revs aren't really restricted because it does accelerate all the way up, but it's just really down on power. So we're just going through the live data here to see if we can see anything that looks out of place. We can see there the DPF pressure sensor is working, and we can't seem to see at the minute anything that looks abnormal. So we're just going to go through a lot of other stuff, see if we can figure anything out. So we've got the DPF warning issue on there, and the car is in restricted performance mode, but there isn't any faults, which is a bit strange. I've always, when we're working on these Japanese cars, Mitsubishi or a Honda, Toyota, nothing's ever easy to go through. They've always seemed to got these complicated systems that don't really give you a lot of information back. But it's clearly got a DPF problem, so we're going to just try flushing it, and hopefully we're gonna get the problem cured. We're just using some of this Wins Off Car DPF cleaner here, just pouring it into our dispenser bottle, and then we can go and get this into the car. Just down here we've got the DPF pressure sensor. We're going to connect up our dispenser here, get the fluid flushed into it. Now we've finished putting the fluid in, we'll just put the hoses back on there, and now we can start the engine up. So now we're just going to let that fluid work its way out. See sort of a black sooty watery substance there, it'll just be coming out. That does just wash away with a bucket of water. Okay, so we've gone into the DPF section of the system here, and of course it says you can do regeneration if any of these issues are here. So if the DPF light is on or it's blinking, and any of the sensors have been replaced, all of that. There it says it takes 5 to 30 minutes. Obviously that would be dependent on how much soot's in there, but we've already just flushed it out, so it shouldn't really take that long now. We're just going to run a regeneration just to make sure that it's down to the level where it should be. So now the vehicle's just going to hold itself on a few revs until all of this clears away. Okay, so it looks like it's just about finished. Okay, now that's finished, you can see there the differential pressure has dropped down to 0. So you can see that that was the issue there. But it's just, yeah, a bit of a strange car, this one. It doesn't really, I don't know if it's the Autel machine, it just doesn't really connect very good with these. But yeah, I've had a similar problem on the last Mitsubishi I went to. Not a lot of information. And we have plenty of power there restored, boosting nicely. That's it, we're all finished. See you in our next video.